Looking for the best mini electric drill or rotary tool for DIY projects, engraving, drilling, and crafts? In this video, we compare 5 compact power tools designed for woodworking, plastic, metal, grinding, polishing, engraving, and everyday repairs. From versatile rotary tools to cordless impact drills, these models offer different combinations of power, portability, speed, and convenience for home workshops and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. ARROWMAX Mini Rechargeable Electric Drill. The ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill offers a compact cordless design for crafts, woodworking, plastic, aluminum, and general DIY projects. Its lightweight construction makes it convenient for detailed work where a full-size drill may be unnecessarily large. Rechargeable operation provides greater portability, while its rotary tool format makes it useful for small drilling, shaping, finishing, and hobby applications. Number 4. Dremel 260W Electric Rotary Tool. This 260W Dremel rotary tool is designed for high-speed precision work such as engraving, grinding, polishing, cutting, and finishing. With an advertised speed range of approximately 5,000 to 31,000 revolutions per minute, it provides adjustable performance for different applications and materials. Its pen-style compact design allows controlled handling, making it useful for detailed crafts, workshop projects, restoration work, and DIY applications. Number 3. Bosch GSR 120Li 12V Cordless Drill. The Bosch GSR 120Li is a compact cordless drill and screwdriver designed for everyday professional and DIY applications. Its 12V platform provides convenient cordless operation while keeping the tool relatively lightweight and easy to handle. Suitable for drilling and screwdriving tasks, it's a practical choice for furniture assembly, home maintenance, workshop projects, and users who value a compact professional power tool. Number 2. PATUOPRO 13mm Brushless Impact Drill. The PATUOPRO cordless impact drill features a 13mm chuck and 23 torque settings for flexible drilling and screwdriving applications. Its brushless motor is designed for efficient performance, while compatibility with Makita 18V batteries provides convenient cordless operation for users with compatible battery systems. It's suitable for woodworking, metalwork, furniture assembly, home repairs, and various DIY construction. Number 1. ANKEYPRO 180W Mini Rotary Tool. The ANKEYPRO 180W Mini Rotary Tool is designed for detailed DIY work, engraving, grinding, polishing, drilling, and crafting. Its compact size makes it easy to handle when working on smaller projects that require precision and control. With a range of compatible accessories, it can be used for different materials and applications, making it a versatile addition to a home workshop, craft station, or hobby workspace. These 5 mini drills and rotary tools offer versatile solutions for DIY enthusiasts, craftspeople, and home workshops. Whether you need a precision rotary tool, a powerful cordless impact drill, a professional 12V screwdriver, or a compact rechargeable drill, these models provide different combinations of power, control, portability, and functionality for everyday projects.